Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the latest market movements surrounding MicroStrategy, trading under the ticker symbol NASDAQ Mstr. The stock took a 3.4% dip during midday trading on Tuesday, prompting investors to ask, what's going on? Should you be concerned? Or is this just a minor setback in a larger uptrend? Stick with us as we break down the latest stock performance, analyst ratings, and future expectations for MicroStrategy. Let's get started. On Tuesday, shares of MicroStrategy saw a decline of 3.4%, reaching an intraday low of $335.07 before closing at $335.92. This drop came as a surprise to many investors, given the company's recent momentum. What's particularly notable is the significant decrease in trading volume, with only 4.16 million shares exchanged compared to the average daily volume of nearly 19.7 million shares, a staggering 79% decline. This sharp decline in trading volume suggests that fewer investors were actively trading the stock, potentially due to market uncertainty, external economic factors, or institutional investors taking a wait-and-see approach. But does this mean investors should worry? Not necessarily. To get a clearer picture, let's analyze what analysts are saying about MicroStrategy's performance and where they expect it to go from here. MicroStrategy has been the subject of numerous analyst reports, and the sentiment remains largely positive. Here's what some major analysts have had to say. Canaccord Group recently revised its target price for MicroStrategy, raising it from $300 to an impressive $510 while maintaining a buy rating. This upward revision suggests strong confidence in the company's growth potential. TD Cowen also increased its price target from $392 to $525, reinforcing a bullish outlook on MicroStrategy's stock performance. They, too, issued a buy rating. Mizuho initiated coverage on MicroStrategy with an outperform rating and a target price of $515, further validating the stock's potential upside. Benchmark took an even more aggressive stance, reiterating their buy rating and setting a target price of $650, one of the highest among analysts. This suggests that Benchmark sees substantial long-term upside in the stock. Barclays adjusted its price objective from $275 to $515, issuing an overweight rating, which indicates confidence in the stock's ability to outperform market averages. Among analysts covering MicroStrategy, one has issued a sell rating, while the majority 9 in total have given it a buy rating. According to MarketBeat.com, the consensus rating currently stands at moderate buy, with an average price target of $483.22. So, what do these ratings mean for investors? Analysts seem to be overwhelmingly optimistic about MicroStrategy's potential, despite its recent dip. But what's driving these bullish sentiments? Let's explore some key factors that could influence the stock's future direction. MicroStrategy has become synonymous with Bitcoin investments, and much of its stock performance is closely tied to the cryptocurrency market. The company holds one of the largest corporate Bitcoin reserves, making it highly sensitive to Bitcoin price movements. Here are some key elements that investors should consider. As Bitcoin prices fluctuate, so does MicroStrategy's stock. When Bitcoin experiences a surge, Mstr often follows suit. Conversely, if Bitcoin dips, the stock typically faces downward pressure. Recent market trends suggest that Bitcoin has been trading in a relatively volatile range, which could explain the decline in MicroStrategy's stock price on Tuesday. With growing institutional adoption of Bitcoin and crypto-related assets, MicroStrategy stands to benefit in the long run. Several major firms are increasing their exposure to digital assets, which could bode well for Mstr's future performance. MicroStrategy's primary business revolves around enterprise analytics and business intelligence software, but its aggressive Bitcoin accumulation strategy has redefined its investment appeal. As the company continues expanding its Bitcoin holdings, investors see it as both a tech stock and a Bitcoin proxy, leading to heightened interest during crypto bull markets. The broader economic landscape, including interest rates, inflation, and Federal Reserve policies, can impact MicroStrategy's performance. If inflation concerns persist and the Fed maintains a hawkish stance, high-growth tech stocks like MicroStrategy could face additional volatility. Governments around the world continue to refine their stance on cryptocurrency regulations. Any new regulations, either positive or negative, could impact MicroStrategy's stock price. A favorable regulatory environment for Bitcoin adoption could serve as a catalyst for MicroStrategy's stock to climb higher. Should you buy MicroStrategy stock now? Given the recent dip in stock price, some investors may wonder whether this presents a buying opportunity. Here are some key considerations. Long-term investors. If you believe in Bitcoin's long-term growth and see MicroStrategy as a vehicle to gain exposure to the asset, then a dip in the stock price might represent a chance to accumulate shares at a lower price. Short-term traders. Given the stock's volatility, traders should be cautious and watch for key support and resistance levels. Technical analysis may help identify optimal entry and exit points. Risk appetite. Since MicroStrategy is heavily tied to Bitcoin's price movements, investors should assess their risk tolerance before taking a position in the stock. To summarize, MicroStrategy's stock saw a 3.4% decline during midday trading on Tuesday, but analyst ratings remain largely positive, with multiple firms raising their price targets. While the stock's performance is closely linked to Bitcoin, long-term investors may see this pullback as an opportunity. However, market volatility, macroeconomic trends, and regulatory developments will continue to play a crucial role in determining MSTR's trajectory. As always, please remember that this is not financial or investment advice. Our goal is to provide you with valuable insights and information for educational and entertainment purposes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and have a fantastic day.